How's it going, everybody? This is Saul Castañeda with mcscgreenwheels, and we're here at home just putting up these final touches. As you guys know, the details of these cars, or any car that you build, is what kind of takes up the most time. Coolant inlet hose right here that goes off our radiator, and this guy right here, this little valve right here. The reason we're going to take this guy off is you guys could see at the bottom I was marring it already because I was trying to spin it off. Gonna do the right thing, go ahead and take it off. If we need some silicone, we'll use it, but I doubt it. This engine's never been ran. Let's get it going. Bam. And there it is. So there is no threading on there, and as you guys can see, you know, it's pretty smashed up. I guess I could have just done that and left it alone, right?